Hello, dear friends. So, in today's session, we will try to understand the different uses of the map function of Steam API. Okay. So, before starting this video, I will request you to like and subscribe this channel, which will provide us a immense support of yours to create such valuable videos further. So basically map function is used to perform the data transformation. Okay, so what is data transformation? In data transformation we can apply any logic or any operation on each item of the stream. Okay, in order to demonstrate the different use cases of the map function, I have created this map function example class. Okay, and here I have created a list of strings, right? And now I'm trying to convert these string to the uppercase, right? So in the below line, you can see like first of all, I get a stream out of this list and then calling this map function, right? So you can check the method signature here. Okay, it's taking a mapper function as an argument, and this mapper function is a type of function, right? And I have already explained you like how we can implement this functional interface during my previous session. If you are not aware, then please refer my previous video. Okay, so here I am passing the lambda expression implemented this mapper function by using the lambda expression, right? And this item is correspond to the each string here, right? And I'm calling this to uppercase method in order to convert these string to the uppercase, right? And then simply iterating. Okay, so let me run this Java class. So you can check the output in the console. Let me zoom for you. You can check the output in the console. The strings are converted into the uppercase, right? So let me show you another example now. Okay, so I have created a list of integers, right? Here I have created a list of integers. So the map function or the Steam API is also provide the couple of methods by which we can easily convert any string to the another stream, right? So here I want to like convert this integer to the double, right? So how we can do it? Let's see. Okay, so I'm calling this init list and then getting the stream out of this integer list, right? And then calling this map to double, right? So you can check here, there are different version of the map functions are available. Map to double, map to int, right? So we can easily convert any stream to the stream of double or any stream of long, okay, by using these function. These function are very important like when we will play around with the reduction related methods. Okay, I'll show you the reduction related methods next. Okay, so and then what I'm doing, first of all I am calling this map to double function, then calling this boxed. Okay, so basically this function works on the primitive data types. Okay, so it will reveal or it will like give us a output in the primitive data types, but this collect method, okay, this collect method works on the object only. Okay, so before calling this collect method, we will have to call this boxed method with like what I will do this boxed method here. It will convert the primitive data type to the object. Okay, so the primitive double to the object of double, right? So before like otherwise if I remove this boxed method from here, okay, so it will give us a like compile time error, right? So we'll have to like use this boxed method before collecting this string, before collecting this list, right? So that's why I'm calling this boxed method here, then collecting this list, and right, and you already know like how we can get a list out of this, right? This is collectors and these are the methods in the Steam API to collect a list out of it, right? And then I'm simply, so let me run this Java program again. So you can check here, it is displaying the list of doubles. I'm simply displaying this list here. Okay, so integers are converted into the double. Okay, so we can use these methods to perform various reduction related methods, like the when we want to find a maximum out of any stream, right, or maximum or minimum, or if we want to take a get a average of any list of integers, right. These methods are very important in those cases, right. So next, what I'm like trying to do, so another the excellent use of this map function is that like we can extract any field out of any object. Suppose like if we have a list of employees, right. So first of all, let me show you, like I have created the couple of classes in order to demonstrate this example. You can check here, I have created the couple of employee objects, right, and clubbed together and returning in the form of list. And apart from this, also created this employee objects where I kept the couple of fields: employee ID, employee name, department name, salary, city, and the contacts. Okay. I'm taking this contact as a list of strings because like each employee can have the multiple contacts, right. The contacts can be of like the landline number or the mobile number or fax. Okay, that's why I took this field as a list of strings, right. So let's come back to our example. Okay, so first of all, I'm getting this list of employees. Okay, then calling map function. Okay, so as I mentioned, we can extract any field by using this map function. So by using the lambda expression, I have implemented that functional interfaces. Okay, so here the each employee object is correspond to the employee name only. Okay, so for each employee, we are getting the employee name by using this lambda expression. Okay, then calling this collect method to collect the list out of it, right. And then simply I'm displaying it. Okay, so let me show you the output. Okay, so you can check this list of employee names. Okay, so the only employees names are being displayed here, right. So similarly, we can extract any field. Okay, suppose like if we will not use this like map function. Okay, then what will happen, we will have to like write a code for this for loop, and will iterate the list and then extract any field. Okay, and then we will be storing that field into a particular collection. Then only we can get get the list of employees out of it, right. But by using this map function, it like reduces our efforts dramatically, correct. So in next example, what I'm trying to do, I'm doing the for some formatting. Okay, so suppose like if we want to get a salary along with the employee names. Okay, so how we can achieve it. Okay, so you can check here in the map function. Okay, employee, and then I'm like taking some string name and then getting the employee name, and the subsequently like this is a salary string and getting the salary out of that employee, right. And then I'm displaying this list, right. So you can check the output here in the console. Okay, so this output, right, Neeraj, name is Neeraj, salary. Okay, then Ram is their salary is 55k. Okay, so the employee names are coming with the salary. Okay, so another uses of this map function, we can well format any output. Okay, by using this map function, right, and then we can use that output further according to our requirement, correct. So and next example, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to explain like what is the difference between the map function and there is a flat map function, right. So like you must be aware, there is a this is very popular questions in the interviews. Okay, what is the difference between the map and the flat map function, right. So we'll look into the difference here. Okay, so I'm calling this map function to get the contacts, the employee contacts, right. So what we are getting in the output. Okay, so you can check here the list of contact number list. Okay, so what we are getting, first of all, you can check here, we are getting the list of string, right. We are not getting the list of string directly. Instead of that, we are getting the list of string. Okay, when we are using this map function. But suppose like if we want to get the flat list of strings as a contact numbers. Okay, so in order to get that data, first of all let me show you the output. Okay, so it is returning the list of strings for each employees. Okay, so it is not returning the contact number in flat, right? So it's returning the list of strings, right? So in order to get a contact number directly, what we will have to do, we will have to call this flatMap function, right? So you can check here, I'm calling this using this lambda expression customer. First of all, I'm getting, so in order to use this flat map, so earlier what we were passing, we were passing the list of strings. Okay, I was like passing the contact number directly. Okay, an employee and get contact number, right? But for this flat map function, we will have to pass the stream of that collection. Instead of directly collection, we will have to pass the stream of that collection, right? So the customer dot get contact number, then calling this stream method, right? Then only I'm getting collecting that list, right? So here is the, like, we can check the output here, list of contact number. So you can check the list of contact number, right? So now we are getting the contact number in flat, right? So they are not part of any list, right? We are getting that contact number directly. Okay, and similarly you can check here what is the data type of returning this list, the list of strings, right? Instead of list of strings, we are getting the list of string only. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the map or flat map function, right? So next, like, we will play around with the reduction related methods.